Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here you're gonna select storage, and you should see your SD card in here. Simply tap on it, go to the three-dot option and select storage settings, where you'll have format option. Once you tap on it, it does give you a message that formatting will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Now, if you have already backed it up, or you just don't want to, tap on the format and give it a second, and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and you're finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.